Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to monetize TikTok account. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your TikTok app and make sure to connect a good internet speed or like good connection of internet, so then you can proceed further more easily. So first of all you have to do is get 1,000 followers, or like you have 1,000 followers community in your TikTok account. Or for that you have to simply upload the contents that the people's like, or like you can simply see I have uploaded bunch of videos about storytelling. You can as well do it, but in my case I didn't upload much videos so that I can receive any of these followers or like views. But in your case, if you uploaded good contents that people's like, so you can simply get more quickly 1,000 followers, and then you can simply monetize your channel. For that, I can do is to tell you how you can monetize your channels. For that, you have to simply click on the three lines on the top right corner, or I will show you how you can do it. Click on TikTok Studio, and then you will come in TikTok Studio. You will find over here analytics or a bunch of options over here. So you can see over here inspiration as well, trending creators. You can simply follow them or get more followers or views from here, or like you can see over here bunch of options over here. So you can simply click on this arrow up ahead beside the monetization. Click on that, and then you will comes in this page. You have to see over here a bunch of options over here also, and you can simply do is click on program for you, and then you will view all the programs over here that you have eligible for that. When you have eligible on this live option, and then you can get monetize option over here. For that you have to qualify for this, so you can simply join services plus to monetize your skills. Join, click on join, and then got it. You are not eligible yet, but in your case, if you have 1,000 followers or much more followers in the state of US or like that countries that gives you monetization, so then it's gonna be allow you to eligible for that monetization. But in that case you have to get 1,000 followers at least, and community guidelines as well, you have to read them and then get monetized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.